Hello everyone. Today, Team 16 will present their interim presentation on the analysis and redesign of a hairdryer. The hairdryer helps dry and style hair by blowing air at different rates and temperatures. Injection molding and sheet metal are two main processes we'll focus on in the later part of this project. The components can be classified into two main parts: the enclosure, made out of plastics, and the electronic system, consisting of motors, attachments, and heater. Our primary customer segment consists of regular household users who dry and style frequently. The secondary segment includes professional salons, which require more temperature and speed settings and use them more regularly.
This is the fast diagram for the hair dryer. Fast diagram discusses about the relationship between functions, subfunctions, processes, and features. The main function of the hair dryer is to dry and style the damp hair. The primary function of hair dryer is to blow air, which has further two subfunctions: supply electricity and set speed. The second function includes supply heat, which is split into two subfunctions: adjust temperature and add heat. The next function of dryer is to assure dependability by stabilizing the temperature and maintaining the airflow. The fourth and fifth functions are assure convenience and enhance product in terms of usability, or we can say by making product user friendly with enhanced design quality. Last but not the least, please senses. The main emphasis of please senses is to minimize the noise and reduce vibrations while operating the hair dryer.
This shows a fishbone assembly diagram of the hairdryer. This first assembly sequence illustrates our hairdryer is assembled from the front to the back. At the back, we have the fan and the motor. The second assembly sequence, on the other hand, shows our hairdryer is assembled from the back, starting from the motor and fan, before closing it out with the back cover, the vent, and the back handle. There is a slight preference for sequence 2 over sequence 1 because starting from the back makes it more easier to transfer and handle. There's also relative ease of testing sub-assemblies and also gives you some flexibility of assembling in parallel compared to sequence 1.
I'm going to be talking about the bill of materials. We have designed two variants, one for primary customer who wants to dry his hair very fast and one for the professional salon use. Below is the explorer view for our primary customer, and the right hand side details out the mold specifications as most of our parts are injection molded. The bill of materials is calculated on basis of assumptions that are listed below in the table. The material chosen is ABS plastic because it is tough, impact resistant, and also it has high dimensional stability. Considering that the parts are less complex to assemble and that all of them are going to be snap fit, the assembly cost has been listed out. Considering all of the columns, the total cost amounts to $101. Taking the estimated cost as 80% for total cost, we get about $80 for our primary variant. Coming to the bill of materials for our professional hardware variant, below is the image for the professional hardware variant and the mold specifications are listed on the right hand side. The professional hardware variant has additional accessories such as the diffuser, comb attachment, and the air concentrated nozzle. Again, considering the same assumptions that we had earlier, the total cost amounts to $111. Taking the estimated cost as 80% of the total cost, we get $88. Comparing our professional variant costs with our competitors in the market with 3 heat and 3 speed settings, it costs 78% lesser. Considering our primary customer variant, it costs 50% lesser than hardware with the 2 heat and 2 speed settings in the market.
This is the function component mapping matrix, which is based on the fast diagram and shows the functions of each hairdryer component. Our target audience is the individual or home user and salon chain employee. Individual models has a two-setting speed control knob, a two-setting heater control knob, and the customer can purchase accessories. The salon model has a larger motor for enhanced durability and to provide larger air volume that is needed in a salon setting. Has a three-setting speed and heater control knobs, includes the accessories, and has a longer warranty. The functional differentiation is the same for both models. Supply electricity, add heat, stabilize temperature, maintain airflow, minimize noise, and reduce vibration. The differences are set speed, adjust temperature, assure convenience, and enhance product. Most of the hairdryer components are common between the models, but the differences are the speed control and heat setting knobs, the motor, and accessories. Most hairdryer assemblies start with a motor assembly, but this would cause two unique variants for the entire assembly sequence. Moving to the delayed differentiation would allow the common components to be assembled up to the point of the heater, setting knob, speed control knob, and motor, which are unique. The fan and motor housing that are common would then be assembled, followed by the different accessories.
Thank you so much for your attention.